Hey there! If you're curious about how to find all your saved YouTube videos, you're in luck. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy ways to access them on your mobile or personal computer. So, let's get started. First, we will see how to find saved videos on YouTube Mobile. Please note that the steps are the same for iPhone and Android devices. Here, I'm performing the steps on my iPhone. So, let's follow the steps. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone. Swipe up and find the video you want to save. Then, tap on the three dots next to the video title. Then, select Save to Watch Later. You can see a message prompt on my iPhone that says Video Saved to Watch Later. Now, to find the saved video, tap on the profile icon in your section. You can see video libraries with different sections, such as History, Playlists, Your Videos, Downloads, and more. Tap on Watch Later under the Playlist section. You can see all your saved videos here. That's it. If you have a personal or desktop computer and want to find saved videos on YouTube, follow the next steps. Launch the browser and visit the YouTube website on your computer. Sign into your YouTube account. In my case, I am already logged into my account. Click on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Then, go to your section and you can see multiple sections such as History, Playlists, Your Videos, Watch Later, Liked Videos, and more. Click on Watch Later to see the saved videos. That's it. If your watch folder is empty, go to the YouTube home screen. Find the video you want to watch in your free time. Then, click the three dots next to the video title and choose Save to Watch Later. Then, click the hamburger menu and check the Watch Later field. As you can see, the saved video is available in the Watch Later folder. That's it. This is how to find saved videos on YouTube mobile and PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.